Hi guys, Kinga here. How are you? In today's video, I would like to talk how we're generating a report from A/B testing. This has been a challenge for me for quite some time, really not knowing what's the best way, how to best export the information from Klaviyo and then enter it into spreadsheet and have a really smooth A/B testing process. But I think I got there, and this is my way of doing it. If anyone who's watching this video has other ways and it's better, would love to hear about it. So anyways, we are going to analytics, and I created this custom report, flows performance report, monthly A/B test. And here are the metrics that I wanted to include in my report. So I've added all these metrics, and then here exclude draft flows, and then conversion metric, I set up placed order and value and sum, because I want to actually see the revenue that each flow is generating. And then group by flow message, including variations. And I think send, okay. And then I do it monthly. There's some sort of a glitch here with when I'm trying to set up different ranges. So I have it set up for monthly. But then additionally, once I kind of perfected this report to get the information the way I want, I also then scheduled this. So you can by clicking here, you can schedule how you want it. And here we have this report is actually being generated every I think 5th of the or 6th of the month at 9 o'clock, and it's done monthly. Let me see here. Okay, so sent last month, entire range. So the way to do it, again, we would do, let's say the next one would be on the 6th, because most of my clients have a 5-day attribution. Then we are going to do monthly, and then at 9 a.m. and then schedule report. And that's all you need to do. Every 6th of the month, this report will be generated. So as this one, once you enter all the information here, you need to click Save and Run Report, and that might take a little bit, and then the data will populate and will show here. When you have a larger client, obviously this is going to take much longer. With smaller clients, less data, this should populate quite fast. So once this is populated, okay, so are being generated, so this is gonna take a little bit. Once this is generated, then we are going to export this as a CSV file. And then once this is exported as CSV, then we are importing it into a spreadsheet. For just a demo purpose, I created just one flow. Obviously, you are going to get a report with all the flows, but then I customized, I like to hide some things just to kind of make it cleaner. Now, what's important to mention that probably like about a few weeks ago, Klaviyo has done some serious upgrades to A/B testing and reporting. So that's why they've added these A/B test name, dates, winning variant. All of that is new, so we don't have any information here. But I think this is excellent, because we were always missing, like, so we don't know what we are testing, right? It was very difficult. You had to go manually and enter it. But now I think once you're setting up the test, you can say where you're testing, and this will show here. And then obviously here we have our variants, and then this is also really great because we're gonna have the dates and then the winning variant and status. So I think this is all excellent. Now we have a really nice report for abandoned checkout, and now we can go and start reporting. Now we can go and start looking at the numbers in a much easier way. So for example, if I'm looking at this first email, I can see total recipients, I can see the click-through rate for each, and then I can see the placed order. This doesn't really look like a good example for me, but maybe some others here would be better. So let's say here, this is actually quite good. We have the same, pretty much the same amount of recipients. We can see that this one is higher, but the revenue for the second one is much higher. So you just gotta go through this and evaluate the performance. So this way you can see much better which flow is performing, or which version of the flow is performing better. Here we have a similar situation. So based on that, you can make better decisions. And so I think that this is, to me, this is the easiest way to evaluate your flows and see how they perform. Again, if anyone has a better system, would love to know about it, because I'm always looking to improve what we have. It's very important. Analytics are so important that without them, you really cannot make any intelligent decisions and grow your sales. So I think that this is a very important, that whoever is working on your account, make sure that the report, that whatever test you're running, make sure you create the reports and double check. And I find this way to be the easiest. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some value out of it. If yes, please give me a thumb up, leave me a comment, questions. Happy to follow up with everyone. And any suggestions are also very welcome. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.